Okay, we have a Toyota Corolla Verso 2007. The wiper arms have chipped the paint away and the aluminium underneath has oxidized. We're going to refurbish them, put them back to black, which involves first of all using 240 grit sandpaper to remove some of the oxidization. So after a couple of minutes sanding with 240 grit, you can already see a difference. We'll move on to maybe chipping that paint off and going to a finer grit sandpaper. Okay, so we have sanded with 250 grit and going to move on to 400, make it a bit flatter before we go into the primer. So after 400 grit, this is flat as we'd need for a window wiper arm. I'm going to use some edge primer to help the paint stick because we're painting directly onto bare metal. Okay, so with light coats, give the whole arm a light dusting of edge primer. Just give it a good coat with our paint stick. Okay, we've had a couple of coats of edge primer, and now we're going for Offered satin black. So where we have the window arms off, we're using our Meguiar's Ultimate Black Trim Restore, and hopefully this should make us nice and fresh and black. We'll go along with our freshly painted wiper arms. And a bit rough, but I'm first time using my camera in one hand to make a video, but you get the gist of it. Just let that cure for a few minutes and then we will wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Okay, so just going to wipe off the excess and also with the microfiber maybe buff it up a bit and leave us with a nice back to black shine.